Good morning, everyone. This is Neeraj Kumar. Today I am here to continue the rest part of articles. Last time I was teaching you, I was explaining you uh, the proper use, the suitable use of definite article the. Now here I just continue with the rest part of definite article the. I hope you will be paying attention and will be getting uh, the variable points related definite article the. So here comes next point, that is before historical dynasty. It is the Yadav dynasty. The Pal dynasty. The Chandeli dynasty. The Solanki dynasty. etc. So my dear students, now here comes the next point related definite article the. I'll be telling you that before historical dynasty as well, we people have got to use definite article the, that is the Yadav dynasty. तो देखिए मैंने यहाँ पर डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द यूज किया है. Before each dynasty, whether it is related to Yadav or Pal or Chandel or Solanki. So what I have got to say here, जितनी भी हमारी हिस्ट्रिकल डायनेस्टी होती है उनसे पहले हम आर्टिकल द यूज करते हैं. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. लेट अस मूव अहेड. Next point, the historical buildings before the historical buildings. The Taj Mahal. The Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar. The Red Fort. The Jama, J-A-M, Jama Masjid, M-A-S-J-I-D, Jama Masjid. The Panch Mahal, the Panch, P-A-N-C-H-A, Panch Mahal, M-A-H-A, the Panch Mahal. So my dear students, please just have a look. When we talk about the historical buildings, so here as well we people have got to use definite article the. So look at the board. Every time I have used the before these examples: the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort, the Jama Masjid, the Panch Mahal. So it is one of the places where we have got to use definite article the, that is before the historical buildings. Now let us move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Before the political parties the Congress party the Janata Dal, the Janata the BJP the communist the democratic etc. So here comes a new point, that is before the political parties as well we people have got to use definite article the. As you can see at the board, the Congress, the Janata Dal, the BJP, the communist, the democratic. So these examples are showing that it is quite necessary to use definite article the before the political parties. तो हमने जितनी भी हमारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज होती है उनसे पहले हमने डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द यूज किया है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड. Before now, next point. Before the musical. Before the musical instruments. The tabla, the harmonium, the guitar, the piano, the violin. So this time as well, here comes a new point, that is whenever we people talk about the musical instruments, so here as well we have got to use definite article the, right? As you can see at the board, I just have noted down some examples like the tabla, the harmonium, the guitar, the piano, the violin. I hope you must have understood this. Now let us move ahead. Let's take next point. Very important. .15 the plus adjective. Plural noun. Plural noun. यहाँ पर थोड़ा समझने की बात है बेटा, देखिए जब भी हम एडजेक्टिव से पहले डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द यूज करेंगे, इट चेंजेस इनटू प्लूरल नाउन. तो एडजेक्टिव से पहले मीन्स whenever we people are going to use definite article the before adjective, so it becomes plural noun. ये हमारा plural noun बन जाता है. Example, the rich people. The poor people. The lame people. The sick people. The blind people. So my dear students, with the help of these examples, you must have seen, मैंने देखिए एडजेक्टिव से पहले आर्टिकल द यूज किया है, right? So it becomes plural noun. So I hope you must have understood it. Enough for the day. The rest part of articles will be taken in my next video. Thank you very much.